Hello my friends, welcome again. We are in the part 3 of Laravel API series and we have created the movies database with model. We have stored 2 movies here and inside the controller we have the store method. We can store movies. Okay, now I want to show a single movie and I want to update the movie. Okay, here inside the and we have make this road API resource so we can show update. We have the show resource road, update the road, destroy, and all of roads the resource have. So inside the show method we have the ID. We expect the ID here. Okay, so movie is going to be movie find the ID and I'm going to return that movie, save, and if I go now to the Insomnia, make a new request here. I'm going to call it show movie. Method is going to be get and create this http no movies, sorry, Laravel API dot test slash API slash movies, and we need to pass the ID of the movie. And if you go here, we have 2 movies, 1 and 2, with ID 1 and 2. Okay, and pass with ID 1, make a request here. And yeah, we have a movie here with ID 1, title, monster, and overview, poster. Okay. If I change this to 2, yeah, we have Wonder Woman. Good. But if we want only to show the title, for example, overview, poster, and not other things, we can manipulate here. I'm going to return an array. Title is going to be movie title and overview is going to be movie overview, and we have poster. It's going to be movie, sorry, poster, and for adult movie adult. Just make this, yeah, save, and if I come here now, hit request, yeah, we have only the title, overview, poster, and adult. Yeah, if I change this to 1, the same thing. Okay, now I want to update the movie, and if you go here, we have the update method. We expect an ID here, and just like in the show method, I copy this, and I'm going to make the same thing we make here, copy for now, and I'm going to change later. Okay, we find the movie, and movie title is going to be, yeah, and we updated with the movie of the title of the movie with a request, and we save it and we return it after. Okay, save, and come here, and I'm going to make a new request, update movie, and the method is going to be output. Okay, if I come here, I'm going to grab this URL. Okay, and also I'm going to copy this. Okay, and the body is going to be JSON. Pass it here and for quick. Okay, I'm going to update it here. Title monster hunter updated, and we put request, send this, and we return the with okay 200. Okay, and the title is updated. If I go to database monster hunter and if I refresh, yeah, we have the updated. Okay, come back, remove this updated and send again. Yeah, go to database, refresh. Okay, if I come here and I'm going to leave it here and then add net with a method update with update method. So and here is the same thing we had here, just for quick access. Okay, movie, remove this, change this with a request, and we update title with a request title, overview with a request overview, poster with request poster, and so on. Okay, and save now. Come here, make a request now again with updated, and we have an error. If I make, we have error. Add title to fillable property to allow mass assignment. We have a mass assignment because in the movie model we don't have protected fillable, and it's going to be with an array with title, overview, poster, and adult. Save, come here, send again. Yeah, we have updated now. Okay, and refresh. Yeah, we have updated. Okay, this is how we can show and update data with Laravel with API. Here in the index I'm going to return a movie, all of movie, and save. And if I make a request here, I'm going to make a request. I get movies and get request, create this show method. We need only this one. Pass it here and send request, and we have a movie one and another one. Okay, I think we are okay with this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.